आता खबरो विस्तारान. येरादारी पुलिशेक सहकार्य करपाक गोंय पुलिशेन ट्रॅफिक सेंटिनल स्कीम 2017 10 नोव्हेंबराक सुरवात केल्ली. सहकार्य केल्ल्या जनतेक गुण मेळ्ळ्यात आनी ह्यान पयलीं गोंय पुलिशेन 23 ट्रॅफिक सेंटिनल्सांचो भोवमान केल्लो. आता 17 ट्रॅफिक सेंटिनल्स ह्या भोवमाना खातीर एलिजिबल आसा. डीजीपी मुक्तेश चंद्रान ह्या भोवमानाची शुक्रारा वांटणी केली. आरडेक्स्को खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
This function was held on the 23rd of December, wherein 23 traffic sentinels were awarded. The total amount of 1,04,000 was dispersed in that function. The function was graced by Honorable CMO. Today, on 9th, total 17 traffic sentinels are being awarded. Total amount dispersed is 2,30,000. Till date, we have enrolled 1,595 traffic sentinels. In the year 2017, we have issued 5,574 notices to violators. And this year, till date, we have issued around 5,250 notices. Total 10,824 notices have been issued in respect of the traffic sentinel scheme. I once again take this opportunity to welcome one and all for this august year. Thank you.
Topper, he has done very well. In fact, Mr. Kataria जिस स्पीड से भेजते हैं हमको, हम उतनी स्पीड से तो प्रोसेसिंग भी नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. He is so fast, and so far he has sent about 25,000 images, and large number of them are still under process. So my special congratulations to Mr. Kataria and also to Mr. Damodar. 53,000 reward he is getting. I must admit कि जब हमने ये स्कीम शुरू की थी, we were not sure कि इतना massive response हमको इसमें मिलेगा. So the credit goes to all the traffic sentinels first, and to also the team of SP Traffic, the people who are working round the clock in the sentinel team. It has made a tremendous impact on traffic safety compliance. The helmet rule or triple riding or talking on mobile, these things are coming down. People are conscious that somebody can take the image, but still we have to go a long way. The feeling for safety, the belief in safety must come from within. You have to believe that this helmet saves me. This time we have decided to write to all college principals that please involve your students into this exercise of being traffic sentinel. They would be a part of this community policing scheme of spreading awareness about road safety. They would themselves obey traffic rules. They will make other students of the college obey the traffic rules, and also earn handsome amount of pocket money by clicking the photographs of violators. We have also decided to involve gadawala, shopkeepers, motorcycle pilots, anyone who is not full-time employed and he is waiting for customer to come. While he is waiting for the customer, he can always click these photographs. In fact, I spoke to one person who sits near the Kamat restaurant. He shines shoes. So I said, while you're not shining the shoe, by the time somebody is waiting and you're waiting for the customer, you have enough time. You can click number of photographs. जितना shoe polish से मिलेगा उससे ज़्यादा मैं दे दूँगा आपको reward में traffic sentinel. And I hope really discards this shoe sign business and joins me in traffic sentinel. So we want to involve the entire society as a part of this mission towards road safety, with the ultimate aim that compliance to traffic rules will increase, traffic safety will increase, and accidents, particularly the fatal accidents, will reduce in Goa.